This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Brenda Young. Great end unit in Manor Park. Bright and spacious 3-level townhome with 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. Ground level finished with rec room, full bath, home office or bedroom as well as laundry and 1-car garage. Main level has large living room, half bath, open kitchen with island and stainless steel appliances, dining area, and morning room with deck access. Upper level has 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, which includes large master bedroom with walk-in closet, master bath with soaking tub, double vanity and separate shower. Convenient to shopping, restaurants, I-81, Route 11 and MARC train. Available immediately. Landlord pays, Homeowners Association Fee Tenant pays, all utilities, trash and renters insurance from